Risa, may malaking problema na wala yung aso ko.
Alam ko solusyon dyan.
Ano yun?
Dog at smart.
Suspect! Laging nawawala ng aso.
Hindi, pre, may ginagamit na akong dog gun.
Ano yun?
Ang dog gun ay isang IoT-based device na kung saan makakatulong sa pag-monitor at pag-track ng iyong alagang aso, na kung saan mapapanatag na ang mga pet owners. Paano nga ba ito gumagana?
Ang device namin na dog gun ay binubuo ng Raspberry Pi Zero na maliit pero makapangyarihang computer na nagsiserve as the brain of the pet tracking device, handling data processing and communication tasks. At GPS module na tumatanggap ng signal sa mga satellite para malaman ang eksaktong lokasyon ng iyong alaga. At meron din tong SD card na nag-i-store ng OS at necessary na software as well as logs of the pet's location data. At syempre, importante ang aming power supply na nagbibigay ng kailangang electrical power to keep the device running, ensuring continuous tracking of your pet. Together, these components work seamlessly to create an efficient pet tracking device that helps you keep tabs on your furry friend's whereabouts.
This is the process of using our application. First, open it. Then, if you have already an account, you can sign it. But if you don't have, you can sign up. For example, here, put your username. I will use my name, Aljimar. Then I will put a password. I will just use password and confirm it. Then I can put full name or nickname. I'll just put my nickname, Aljit. Then email address, my@gmail.com. Gender, of course, male. Date of birth, May 12, 2003. Mobile number, 09-559-376-999. Province, Lodyo Marinduque. Municipality, I'll put Buwak. And barangay is Mataas na Bayan. Because currently, I'm here. So register. If you need to sign in, just put your username. And I will put here a wrong password, for example. We'll see if it will continue. So it will not. So again, put your username. And I will put my correct password. So as you can see, gonna go. So now I will put my correct password. So you're in the so we're here. First is we're gonna add a pet. If you already we're here. First thing we will do is to go to the pet so we can add pets. Or if you already have a pet, you can add another pet if you have multiple pets. So I will add a pet. Wait. So now I will put my username in this. So now I will go to the sign in. First put your username. My username is Aljimar. Then my password is also password, but let's try putting a wrong password. Let's see if it will continue. So it will not. So here we put the correct username and the correct password. And it will go in. Then first thing we will do is to add a pet. And if you have already a pet, but you can add. So we're here. First thing to do is add a pet if you don't have a pet. So we're here. First thing to do. So we're here. First thing to do is we can add a pet. We can put a pet. We can register our pets or add another pet. So since we already signed up now, we'll go to sign in. Put our username, Aljimar, then our password. But let's try putting a wrong password. So putting incorrect password, it will not continue. So here, put the correct username and password.
This is our pivot access. I will write the password for pivot access para makita nito yung mga nag-sign in or user credentials and pet registrations. So, titingnan natin ito sa Buwak. By the way, sa municipality ito naka-distinguish. Makikita mo kung saang municipality. Ayan. Mga nag-sign in. Other places. Wala nag-sign in na taga Buena Vista. Sagasan. Ito. Ako. So, yun lang. This is our dog hacker.
Kita mo lang ako, natago mo na.
We can choose to delete all pets or delete user. And we will type the password for this, but I will not click it for future references of our users and pet registrations.